Yeah, so I guess I should take this camera as a straight one. Yeah, so done with the second day here. It's a good day today because like I arrived at 9 here, so the timings are like 9 to 5 only, like a corporate job or something. But yeah, 9 to 5 thing is there. So I arrived here at 9. Got a bit late because I just lost this. I'm not able to find it. So I was trying to figure out where is my office is located. But yeah, finally found that thing. But yeah, it was a good start. Like I started reading the papers that I was reading yesterday. So like I was having good experience on that thing. The papers were quite good. So once I completed the papers, like I just revised a few previous papers. I discussed with Connor. Then we have a meet with the Des and the team. Des, Agnes, I just forgot one person name. He's a quite chill guy though. I will remember his name soon. Yeah, then we have a meeting and we discuss like what are the things that we are going to proceed and how can I contribute. Again, Des mentioned that I can get I can contribute in that thing over the characterization of the plasma source. It's the main project though, so it's only my part here. But the main part will be like the plasma source. We will start with the plasma source. Then I have to handle the measurement of the Faraday cups. When the corner is gone, like he will be on the midweek of July. So during that time, I have to continue the measurements of the Faraday cups and I guess Faraday cups and one more thing was there. I just can't remember the name. So we have to go with that thing. So Connor has to prepare me for that, and I think I will be able to do. I think other thing, don't call them sir. They are Des, Connor, and some like don't call them sir because they have mentioned that they make them feel old. It's pretty different from India here. Though yeah, that's the thing. This was mentioning that I might get into the paper, but I think it's really too soon, to be honest. Because he was saying he might get my name into some paper, but I'm shocked that I didn't do anything to get a publish in that like this one. It's been 2 days only, and you think someone getting a paper over the 2 days? I think it's not quite right. Yeah, let me go. बाकी तो ठीक है. Bye.